Hello and welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy Conditional Statements. This is the review. It says, way to go. Here are some of the major concepts for conditionals. An if statement checks a condition and will execute a task if that condition evaluates to true. If-else statements make binary decisions and execute different code blocks based on a provided condition. We can add more conditions using else-if statements. Comparison operators, including less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equals, and not equals, can compare two values. The logical operator and checks if both provided expressions are truthy. The logical operator or checks if either provided expression is truthy. The bang operator switches the truthiness and falsiness of a value. The ternary operator is shorthand to simplify concise if-else statements. A switch statement can be used to simplify the process of writing multiple else-if statements. The break keyword stops the remaining cases from being checked and executes in a switch statement. Our instructions say to practice the skills you've learned in this lesson, and I'll leave that up to you guys to just practice the different things that we've reviewed in this section and not to move on unless you guys feel comfortable with conditional statements. Make sure to practice the if-else statements, and then once you get that, add in your else-ifs. Make sure also to use the comparison values, the and, ors, and not logical operators, ternary for the shorthand way to simplify if-else statements, and your switch statements that we did in the last lesson. If you guys are getting those, then feel free to continue on to the next lessons, and if not, just make sure to practice and go back on the videos that we went through. Make sure to practice that, and I'll see you guys in the next lessons.